Okay guys, that is my perfect breakfast burger. Hi guys, today I am going to make myself a superb breakfast burger. I'm going to start off by slicing my brioche buns, and I'm just going to place this on some heat here just to get it toasted. You've got to toast your brioche, everyone knows that. While my brioche is toasting, I'm just going to start with my protein. I've got some delicious smoky bacon here, this is really good stuff. And I've got some really nice Cumberland sausages here, which I'm just going to remove from the casings, and I'm going to use that meat to form my burger. Okay, I'm going to form my patty. I've got this little ramekin here, which is just basically a lid off an IKEA pot that I've got. So I'm just going to line this with some plastic wrap. So I'm just going to get my 3 sausages and form them into a little ball, and this is going to make a delicious patty. And that's just packed with so much flavour. I'm just going to pop that in there, pop that in my ramekin, give it a good press down so it gets a nice bit of shape to it. Okay, right, so that's done. All I'm going to do is I'm going to tip this out like that, remove it from my casing. Right, now you've got a perfect uniform shaped burger, the perfect density, the perfect thickness. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. So my brioche buns are nice and toasted. I'm just going to set these to one side. Right, I'm just going to coat this pan with a little bit of olive oil. Right, my pan's being coated with some olive oil and my patty is going in. Beautiful. That looks perfect. My beautiful smoky bacon. Outstanding. And I just like to give this a little push like this. Just a bit of encouragement, you know, just to get it going. Lovely. Right, while my bacon and sausage is just doing its thing on the pan, I'm going to create this lovely, outstanding sun-dried tomato jam. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice these bad boys, and you've got this beautiful, sexy, tangy sun-dried tomato jam. And what you want to do is you just want to give this a touch, just a touch of balsamic. And that balsamic vinegar is just going to take it to another level. Right, let's check up on our bacon. Brilliant, this is coming along. You guys know, you've seen me do bacon often enough, you know I like it nice and crispy. Right, our bacon is done. You can see it's beautifully crispy, just how I like it. So what I'm going to do is leave this on my board to just sit and drain for a few moments until my sausage burger continues to cook. Right, my sausage patty looks like it's going to be ready, so let me give this a flip. Brilliant, there you go, that's coming along nicely there. And I'm just going to give that a further 3 or 4 minutes just to cook on the other side. Outstanding, and the fact that it's cooking in that bacon fat, that's all flavour. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, sausage patty is done. Let's let that rest. I'm just going to sit that down on our board to rest. While that sausage patty rests, I'm going to collect up some of this bacon fat and sausage fat that's been in the pan. I'm just going to use that to cook our egg. So as you can see, the pan is coated still with some of that oil and some of that fat. Right, I'm going to get my ramekin, and I'm going to be a little bit careful here because sometimes this isn't perfect. The egg does run out of the sides. So I'm going to put that down there. I am going to add my bacon fat. Right. Beautiful. Okay, so you can see the egg is just, well, it's actually almost perfect, but just to make it a little bit more perfect, I'm just going to rest my spatula on the top and just place a little bit of weight on the ramekin so the egg doesn't slide out of the sides. Right, and what I like to do at this stage, I like to just hit the egg with a bit of pepper, you know, just to give it a bit of encouragement. Right, while my egg is cooking, I'm just going to top my sausage patty with some of my American cheese. Perfect. And I'm going to scoop up this beautiful sun-dried tomato jam that we've made, and I'm just going to put it on the base of my burger bun. One slice of bacon is just going to sit on top, and my sausage patty is going to sit on top of that piece of beautiful smoky bacon. And now we're just waiting for our egg. Our egg is done. Now let's hope this slides straight out. Beautiful. And that is stunning. And that egg is just going to sit proudly on top of that cheese. And then I'm going to top this with a bit more bacon. And then back on. And there you go. And this is my delicious, beautiful, rich, indulgent breakfast burger. Look at that, it's stunning. Okay guys, that is my perfect breakfast burger. Sausage, smoky bacon, egg, cheese, sun-dried tomato jam on a brioche bun. Outstanding. This is going to be a messy one, so I'm not going to eat this on camera. I'm going to take this away with me. Right, that's the perfect way for me to start my day. I'm probably not going to get a chance for lunch today, so that's going to be perfect for me. Outstanding. So happy with that. Right guys, as you know, that's not just delicious. Look at it. That is absolutely effing delicious. Stunning.